How cool would it be if you could turn your drawings, like this one, into this? Well, thanks to AI, that is all possible now. Do you want to know how you can do this too and for free? Well, you're in luck because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your stickman drawings into great masterpieces, works, or art. We will use AI and it is completely free to use. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Click the Hugging Face link in the description to get started. The AI tool is called Gemini Co-Drawing. Many thanks to Trudy and Alex for creating this tool. It is really easy to use. Simply draw something with your mouse here. I will draw a stickman with some large ears. Let's give him some hair. Now this will be his body. And now he will get some fancy shoes. Let's also put an apple tree on board the right, so he won't be so lonely. Now here we can write a prompt. Here we tell the AI what it should do and how it should transform my drawing. Let's type, "Make a beautiful Van Gogh painting out of this." Now press enter or this paper plane symbol. And boom, there it is. It is so fast and it looks amazing. I love the detail in that it has removed one ear. Haha. Yeah, you know Van Gogh. To save the image, simply take a screenshot. Oh, and I unfortunately added this black line to the painting and there is no way to revert this. I accidentally pressed the trash button and now everything is gone. Haha, okay. And now I will draw a large city with a road. Oh, and yes, this can happen. If it fails to generate, you will need to try it again or simply refresh the page. Let's draw a big city again. Now let's add the prompt, "Create a big city in cyberpunk style." Okay, nice. Now we will simply press the generate button again. Look at that. Let's try another prompt to get some vaporwave colors. Just perfect. Let's make it darker purple. Here, I will try a few other prompts. Now make it as if Rembrandt made it. And look at it. It simply looks 3D now, but it's cool nonetheless. Let's draw something new. Like we can also pick here different colors. Now let's add a prompt that it should be a Salvador Dali painting. Okay, not bad, but I'm not that impressed. It only incorporated like one flower, the white one. Okay, I will draw myself and turn it into Dali. Haha, okay. The next one is crazy. Okay, let me draw some stickmen in Paris. Just watch. Now let's demand the AI to make a Picasso painting out of this. Okay, wow, I really love this. We can also write a prompt and leave the canvas blank, like, draw me Donald Trump. And now make it Dali style. Okay, not that great. Okay, now last but not least, I will do some prompting with a horse and potentially Donald Trump. Have fun watching it while Dobby My G is dancing on your screen as well. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own amazing paintings with this new AI tool. Turn your scribble, drawing into a masterpiece. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, Be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.